we out here at Crystal Cove. Okay, you see the beach over there, nice views. We got the damn baseball gloves, football, and the volleyball. We got options. What would you rate this beach on a scale from 1 to 10? 10? Why? Today, okay? Look at this view. This is nuts. These steps are quite treacherous. It's like unpredictable. Chat, look at the view, chat. Look at this blue water today. This is nuts. Chat, we outside. Look at the beach. It's probably like a cool 79 degrees. Great weather. The waves are kicking calmly. Hell yeah. Chat, we just got in the water. We were balls deep in that bitch. We gotta say the chat. We got flying parachutes before we got GTA 6. Yo, what is going on? Bro, there's a motor on that thing. USA! USA! Chat, it's wraps. We out here, say goodbye to the beach. Goodbye, beach. Goodbye, Crystal Cove. Yo, chat! Check out Andy's car. You got the damn foam mat on here. That's sick. What's up, chat? Look at Andy's car, bro. We in this spaceship. We in this spaceship with it. These houses are nice. We're going towards Laguna Beach. Looking at multi-million-dollar properties. This happened to be one of the best states in the United States. What we got going on right here?
We got some fucking Urth Cafe pie. Let's see what's digging over here.
That thing crunchy?
That is crunchy on there.
Okay.
Pretty stiff.
Stiff fat pie.
Pretty bad pie.
Just eat it with your hand. Yo. How was it?
Flaky.
Flaky?
Nice.
Nice?
Crunchy.
Crunchy? Sweet? Urth pecan pie. Okay. Okay, so we got some matcha. All kinds of stuff. Got this chicken salad, sourdough bread. Is it caprese? What is this?
Chicken pesto.
Chicken pesto with the Mediterranean platter. Take a look at this real fresh pesto. What kind of latte is that?
Spanish latte with oat milk.
Spanish latte.
All the time that he can. Get warmed up for Jake Chronicle.
We're in the spaceship with it. We out here to end the night off. Where are we at?
At the movie theater. We're gonna watch some ballerina.
Some ballerina.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
With some popcorn.